Well, here we are moving up the company ladder, up on the roof, tearing this building down. He'll show you the size of it, and we'll try to keep up with on occasion showing you what we're doing as we're going. We're pulling the screws out of the tin. They don't want to save the washers, so we're going to roll and move it and probably get the metal off today. We'll see. 7 hours later, we got all the metal off the sides and the roof, and we stacked it up over there. Got 3/4 of a 5-gallon bucket full of screws, and we started taking off the 1-bys through here. What we're doing is using a 2x4. Like that. We're going to start over again tomorrow because Clay's got something he wants to do. So this is what you can do if you've a mind and you are an American, not American. So now 8 hours later, which is now 15 hours on the job, this is what we got done. We're still working at it. Should make pretty quick progress when we're down on the ground. See you in a little bit. 21 hours in, and we are running out of gas. The batteries on the saw, the chainsaw that we were cutting the 4x4s with. My 130-pound guy is tired, and I'm tired. So we'll finish up tomorrow, I guess, and probably take about 2 or 3 hours, and we'll get it all cleared off. Take a look. There you go. I'll let you see how it happens. 22.5 hours. This is where they wanted it. They could take care of it from here. We did the whole building, all the wiring. And by the way, the wiring's still all hooked up still and on the ground, so they can still use it to charge up things. But the building is gone. They can move the tables where they want, have a big stack of lumber in 2 places. 22.5 hours.